Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up user roles and permissions in QuickBooks. Setting up user roles and permission helps you to control what each user can access, ensuring data security and workflow efficiency. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is to open the user management settings. For QuickBooks Online, you're going to go to Settings, Manage Users. For desktop, you're going to go to Company, Set up Users and Password, and then Set up Users. Next step is to add a new user. So just click Add User for online, or you can click Add a User on the desktop, and then enter the user's name and email address. Next is to assign roles and permissions. You're going to choose a standard role like admin, sales, or payroll, or you can just create a custom role with specific access levels. For custom roles, you want to define access by module, that is sales only, reports only. Step 4 is to save and notify. So you're going to save changes and QuickBooks will send the user an invitation email. That's for online, or you could prompt them to set up a password if they're on QuickBooks desktop. A pro tip is to limit admin privileges to trusted team members only, as admins have full access to all company data. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.